Will Bitcoin steal the throne of gold? In which investment? Know who can give better returns and comfort. Hello, friends. There was a time when people relied only on gold to keep their money safe. For generations, gold has been a symbol of wealth and prosperity. From the treasures of kings to the coffers of common people, gold was considered the real wealth. But now, a new competitor has emerged: Bitcoin, a digital currency which has become a topic of discussion among investors due to its volatility and rapidly increasing value. The question is, can Bitcoin take the place of gold in the near future? Can Bitcoin really become a safe haven asset like gold? Or is it just a bubble that could burst anytime? There is a dilemma in the minds of investors whether they should place gold or Bitcoin in their portfolio. The answer to this question is not so easy because there are different reasons and circumstances working behind both. So let's understand this whole issue in detail. What could be the future of gold and Bitcoin in the future? But before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will be the first to get our new video updates. So let's start today's discussion without any delay. The price of gold has increased steadily over the past decades. Especially when the cloud of crisis hovers over the global economy, the demand for gold automatically increases. From the financial crisis of 2008 to the time of the corona epidemic, gold prices have seen a boom. Not only this, the gold prices are reaching record levels even in the current time amid rising inflation, global debt, and economic instability. The CEO of the World Gold Council, David Tate, says that gold prices may increase further in the near future. He believes that every investor should have at least 10 to 15% of gold in his portfolio so that his investment can be stable. On the other hand, Bitcoin has also attracted the attention of investors. Since its launch in 2009, Bitcoin has delivered extraordinary returns several times. At one point, its price was just a few cents, which increased to reach over $1,08,000 in 2024. However, the volatility of Bitcoin has also made many investors cautious. Its prices can fall or rise by 10 to 20% in a day, making it a very risky investment. However, young investors interested in digital currency see huge profit potential in Bitcoin. David Tate believes that viewing Bitcoin as an alternative to gold could be a big mistake. He says that Bitcoin is a speculative instrument, while gold is a fixed asset whose value increases continuously over time. Gold prices remain stable even during disasters and economic crises, while Bitcoin prices react quickly to global events. Demand for gold in countries like India, China, and Japan has remained constant. In India, gold is considered a symbol of auspiciousness and prosperity. There is a huge demand for gold on occasions like weddings. This is the reason that gold prices in India increase according to the prices at the global level as well as the local demand. The Reserve Bank of India, RBI, is also continuously buying gold. Its purpose is to strengthen the country's foreign currency reserves. Demand for gold is also increasing in China. Chinese insurance companies have now been allowed to invest in gold. This investment is only 1% of the total assets. But if this investment reaches 5%, then the gold prices can rise by 10 to 15%. A new generation of investors in Japan is also turning towards gold. Amid rising inflation and global tensions, investors are seeing stability in gold. However, there was a recent controversy over American gold stored at Fort Knox. This gold has not been fully tested since 1953, raising questions about it. However, David Tate says that the gold stored at Fort Knox is perfectly safe. The gold that America has is the basis of its economic stability. In this case, it will not be right to question the reliability of gold. A major difference when comparing Bitcoin and gold is their nature. Gold is a physical property which you can see and touch. It has been a symbol of value for thousands of years. At the same time, Bitcoin is a digital asset, the value of which depends entirely on the demand and supply of the market. Also, Bitcoin can be hacked or stolen, while gold can be kept in a safe deposit box. Despite the volatility of Bitcoin, many investors are seeing it as the currency of the future. Some believe that the future of blockchain technology and digital assets is bright. At the same time, many investors consider it just a speculation. The sudden fluctuations in Bitcoin prices have made many investors rich overnight, and some have also become poor. In addition, the government of India has recently decided to discontinue the sovereign gold bond SGB scheme. David Tate believes that gold ETF, exchange traded funds, can replace it. Gold ETFs are based on gold and can provide better and safer returns to investors. Another great advantage of gold is its historical reliability. Whenever there is a financial crisis, investors first turn to gold. Compared to Bitcoin, gold has long been a symbol of financial stability. Besides, the demand for gold is not only in countries like India and China, but also the central banks of Western countries consider it as a safe asset for their currency stability. So, can Bitcoin really replace gold? The answer to this question is not easy. Bitcoin prices can rise rapidly, but their volatility makes them risky. At the same time, gold slowly but steadily increases its price. As an investor, it is up to you to decide. Do you want to make quick profits or do you want stability and security? David Tate believes that every savvy investor should include gold in their portfolio. Bitcoin can make you rich quick, but gold will give you stability and security in the long run. The conclusion is that gold continues to play its historical role even today. Bitcoin is definitely a new option, but its volatility makes it risky. The right investment decision depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Experienced investors know that gold is real wealth and its value will continue to rise in the years to come. If you like our content and want to make our efforts even stronger, you can support us through the QR code given in the video or the UPI ID given in the description. Your every small contribution is valuable to us and will inspire us to make even better and informative videos. Your support is our strength. Also, if this video taught you something new or you felt that this information should reach others as well, then do not forget to like and share the video. If you have any questions or suggestions in mind, then do let us know in the comments. We look forward to answering your every question and listening to suggestions. And yes, if you want to stay updated with our every new video in the future, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get every new information first. GRT Business always strives to give you accurate and reliable information. Our news is obtained from various news agencies, public opinion, and public sources. We try our best to verify every report, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our sole aim is to provide you with accurate and reliable information.